Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to check the monitor model in Windows 10 so you can easily identify the exact display connected to your computer. Step 1, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. This opens Device Manager, where all connected hardware devices are listed. Step 2, expand the Monitors section by clicking the arrow next to it. Here you can see the display devices that Windows has detected. Step 3, right-click on your monitor and choose Properties. This opens detailed information about the selected monitor. Step 4, click on the Details tab inside the Properties window. The Details tab provides advanced hardware information. Step 5, from the Property drop-down menu, select Hardware IDs or Device Description. This will display the monitor model and manufacturer information. Step 6, note down the model number shown in the list. You can use this model number to find specifications, drivers, or manuals online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.